Imagine this. You're sitting in your spaceship, staring at the most terrifying thing in the universe, a black hole.
A cosmic monster that swallows everything, light, matter, even time itself. Now imagine you could fly straight into it and live to tell the story. What would you see? Where would you end up? Let's find out what happens if we could travel through a black hole safely.
All right, before we jump in, literally, let's talk about what a black hole actually is. It's not really a hole. It's a point in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Think of it as space collapsing under its own weight, like if you tried to fit an elephant into a soda can, but instead of an elephant, it's a star several times heavier than our sun. Normally, getting too close means game over. First, your spaceship would stretch like spaghetti. Astronomers actually call it spaghettification. Then, even light can't escape, and you disappear forever into the darkness. So yeah, not the best travel destination.
But let's change the rules. Let's imagine, somehow, humans have invented a way to survive inside a black hole. Maybe we found a way to counter gravity, or our ship can warp space itself. Basically, sci-fi made real. So, what happens when we cross the event horizon? The ultimate cosmic point of no return. First, everything outside would start to look weird. Because light bends around a black hole, the universe would seem to swirl and stretch like a funhouse mirror. You'd see stars smeared across the sky, maybe even see your own back as light bends in a full circle around you.
Time would slow down too. To someone watching from far away, it would look like you're frozen at the edge forever. But inside your ship, time feels normal. You're just floating through the most distorted part of the universe.
Then comes the real trip. Inside, gravity pulls so hard that space and time switch roles. You're no longer moving through space. Space is moving through you. You might feel like you're being dragged towards something unseen, a hidden tunnel deeper inside. If we could survive this, we might find that the inside of a black hole isn't just a dead end, but a passage.
Some scientists think black holes could connect to white holes, the opposite kind. Where black holes suck everything in, white holes might spit things out.
So imagine flying through darkness and emerging somewhere completely new, maybe another galaxy or even another universe. You'd pop out the other side like a cosmic wormhole traveler, a shortcut through reality itself. Of course, we have no proof of this. For all we know, black holes could be cosmic shredders, and we'd be nothing but stardust soup. But if we could survive, think about what that means. Instant intergalactic travel. Forget rockets and cryosleep. We could go anywhere, anytime. The black hole becomes the universe's ultimate subway system.
Here's where it gets even crazier. Inside a black hole, the laws of physics break down. Space-time curves infinitely. Cause and effect might not even make sense anymore. That means if we made it to the other side, time itself might not behave the same way. You could come out in the past, before you even left, or in a future where billions of years have passed while you only spent minutes inside. So, if you ever found a safe way through a black hole, you wouldn't just be traveling through space, you'd be traveling through time. You could literally see the beginning or the end of the universe. A cosmic time machine powered by gravity.
So what if we could travel through a black hole safely? We might discover that black holes aren't cosmic destroyers. They're bridges, gateways to new places, maybe even new realities. But here's the catch. To use one, you'd have to risk everything. And even if you make it, you might never find your way back. Still, it's kind of beautiful, isn't it? The most dangerous thing in the universe might also be the greatest adventure waiting to happen. So, would you take that trip? Would you fly into a black hole if you could come out on the other side? Or would you play it safe and watch from orbit? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this what-if adventure, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more cosmic thought experiments, and keep your curiosity alive, because the universe always has another mystery waiting for us. In black hole. No. Can you cut that out?